this is open. This is from the inside. So now I have this welcome letter from Mahana. As you can see, it's this. So it says, congratulations and welcome to Pretty Ambitious World Peace Ambassador Program. And so this is what I have. And there is a PR kit, QR code. And so that's a lot of stuff. Take a photo. This, email your photo. And of next year, this, a lot of amazing stuff. So I'd like to thank Mahana. So that's that. A welcome letter from Mahana for the Pretty Ambitious World Peace Ambassador Program. So in here, it's written about everything I need to know. So thank you. So I'm wearing my World Peace Ambassador sash from Pretty Ambitious. Thank you to my director Mahana, and I'd like to thank you for this opportunity, and you'll be seeing great stuff coming from me, a lot of new initiatives. So thank you. Please show like and share HunyahTravels.